Hello, class, and welcome to Education 1, Introduction to the Field of Education. My name is Velma Robinson, and I'll be your instructor this semester. Education is a multifaceted subject, and we will be addressing it and observing it from a historical perspective as well as a sociological perspective. We will be covering things such as equity and equality, invisible privilege, and how these things affect a student's ability to learn. We'll cover standardized testing and how effective it is. We'll also learn things like lesson planning. And I'd like to share just a bit before we go further about your textbook. We're going to be using the textbook Introduction to Teaching, Helping Students Learn by James Johnson. Normally we'd have the book available here on campus at our bookstore, but with everything being closed as a result of COVID-19, that's not something that we'll be able to do. But there are a number of places where it can be purchased online, textbooks.com, eBay, Amazon, and your reader can be purchased at ZZ Copy. It's at 2431 Durant here in Berkeley, and they're open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. When you go in, just ask for Don. So I'm looking forward to us being together on Wednesday, getting acquainted with each other, and I hope that you're looking forward to it too. I'll see you then.